What are the best methods to shrink oversized clothes?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion fixes. Specifically, we're talking about how to shrink oversized clothes. We all have that one item in our wardrobe that we love, but it's just a bit too big. Whether it's a treasured sweatshirt or a chic blouse, fear not. There are methods to bring it down to size.
What fabrics can be shrunk?
Not all materials are created equal when it comes to shrinking. Most natural fibers like cotton, wool, and denim are likely to shrink with heat and water, while synthetic materials such as polyester, nylon, and spandex are more resistant to shrinking. Therefore, check your clothing labels before proceeding.
The wash and dry method.
One common method to shrink clothes is by washing them in hot water and then drying them on a high heat setting. This method is ideal for cotton and denim materials. However, be careful not to overdo it, as excessive heat can cause damage to certain fabrics. 1. Start by washing your clothing in the washing machine using the hottest water setting. 2. After washing, transfer the clothing to the dryer and set it to a high heat setting. 3. Keep a close eye on the drying process. You may want to check the size periodically to prevent it from becoming too small.
The boil and air dry method.
If you're dealing with a fabric that can withstand high temperatures, like cotton, the boil and air dry method might be the most effective. 1. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a boiling point. 2. Carefully place your garment into the boiling water and let it soak for about 5 minutes. 3. After boiling, carefully remove the clothing, mind the heat, and let it air dry.
The professional tailoring option.
If the methods above don't work for you or you're dealing with a more delicate or expensive piece of clothing, consider getting it professionally altered. Tailoring is a great way to make sure the clothes fit perfectly without risking damage to the material. Although it's the most expensive option, it's also the most precise. So, there you have it. Whether you've lost weight, found a great sale item just a bit too big, or simply changed how you want your clothes to fit, these methods can help make your clothes just right for you. Remember to always check the care labels on your clothing first and, when in doubt, consider professional tailoring. I hope you found this video helpful and can apply these tips to keep your style looking sharp and fit perfectly. Thanks for watching.